Next up, please welcome Weiwu from Smart Token Labs, who will tell you all about smart tokenomic design architecture.
It's here. Okay, so how do we go forward and back? Okay, shall we start? Or waiting for someone? No. Okay. So hello everyone. My name is Weiwu. I'm the CTO of Smart Token Labs. In Smart Token Labs, we make tokens smart because by providing a programming framework to enrich the functionalities of tokens, and we have been doing this technology for 6 years. We have tokenized, for example, smart car keys, where the user's blockchain token can be connected with their smart cars and allow them to open and drive the car. And we have done like smart tickets where the ticket holders can get perks by owning the tickets in their wallet. So, and this cat is an NFT. It is also a smart token. So there's a story behind this NFT smart token. So we have worked with the industrial partners to tokenize smart cars. We give it to a test group of car owners. We have tokenized FIFA tickets. We give them to a small section of FIFA ticket holders so they can book hotels. This is the functionality we have done for them. And we ask ourselves that if we can do this to different types of tokens, why don't we do this to the NFT? Why don't we, everybody's talking about gamification, why don't we combine our technology and gamify NFT tokens? So that was an experiment that we started a while back. And the way we did it is we make a smart cat token, an NFT token loaded with smart token functionalities, gamification, and we invited our 2.5 million users to mint these tokens and play with it. And it was a great success. Within 2 weeks, we got 925,000 users who minted their smart cat token. And this makes us the largest, the NFT projects with largest user base, as well as the largest NFT game. And in the 2 weeks, when this was being minted, we have been the 5 days in a row being the top NFT project in Polygon network. So how do we do that? So this is Smart Cat. That is a smart token. And smart token is the game here. We allow the token to carry executable scripts in JavaScript and HTML. We allow that to run in the user's wallet and on any website. It doesn't have to be, token itself is a dApp. We don't make a dApp website for that. We turn the token into the dApp. And we enable a lot of functionalities. So the driving technology here is TokenScript, which is a scripting framework that we have been building for the last 6 years. It allows token issuers to enrich token with information, with rules, with user interface, with data. And we have this ERC-5169, which is a blockchain smart contract feature that connects smart contracts with the TokenScript that connects the functionality of tokens with the smart contract itself. So with that, we can build functionalities like enabling gaming actions to be on-chain and operate directly in the user's wallet. In this case, level up. There are 3 ways to level up the cats. And we make games around it. We make the cats starve, and you have to feed the cats. And users can clean their cats and get a bit of reward points. So we did all that. And we did something that quite advanced that only our technology can do. We allowed token-to-token messages, and that's the first time in the world. We previously had wallet-to-wallet off-chain messages, but now we can develop this functionality into the token because of our scripting framework. And why do we need that? Because if you are playing a game, your character talks to other characters, not your account talk to other people's account. So cats can talk to each other, and they can play games, like invite other cats for a play date. So this is a demonstration of what we already allow our users to use, a smart token enhanced NFT token. But that is only part of the picture. So today, there are roughly 3%, 2% to 3% in a rich country like the United States, 2 to 3% of people holds NFT tokens. That's not a large number because NFT tokens are associated with collection, investment, and gaming. It might grow, but it might not grow a lot. Most of the users using the internet are using the internet for the practical reasons, like booking a hotel or booking an Uber. Where the power of smart token really lies is to make tokens an integration point that enables users to use internet in a way beyond today's infrastructure allows. So let me take an example of car token. If you consider car token as an asset, you can create a blockchain token for that, and that allows you to trade, auction, or represent the car in the market. And that was already possible with today's technology. But if we enrich it to a smart token, then it can be an integration point. A car token can be transformed into a frictionless experience where the tokens can integrate into multiple layers, multiple applications, and markets. And by that, let me guide you through the journey. How do we get there? At this stage, smart cars have an app. And that app on your mobile phone is the only connection point between your mobile phone and your car. This is the only connection on the internet. You can do things like open or start or lock the car. But if it is a token, as an asset, it can be represented on the market. It is tradable as security. And you can probably program things like open, start, lock car. We already did this for our car manufacturer partnership, although in a limited scale. And you can list cars for sale. That's a blockchain feature. But if we further enhance that into an integration point, then we can bootstrap a lot of use cases. The users who have the car token can go to, for example, government website and register their car and get a car plate number without any paperwork. They can, for example, connect their car to the service company and get their car automatically serviced and the bill automatically settled. They can use that token to go to the insurance website and get insurance, as this picture demonstrates. And even better, the insurance itself could be a smart token. So if you have a roadside accident, your insurance company can automatically call the roadside assistance company or arrange a repair service for a car, or even organize a replacement car through your token authorization. So this picture shows that the possibilities of integration is limitless. You can link your car to rental company. You can rent your car to a website, or you can link your car to Uber so that Uber drivers can drive away and come and drive it back at the end of the day while you have the portion of the revenue generated by the car. And this lies the true power of tokenization by making things smart, by making tokens smart. Now, I have done explaining we have about 5 minutes. Let me explain what this means to the internet. So once people realize, just like our smart cat users, once people realize the power of making their tokens smart and integration points, the web will change. Companies will start to consider whether or not they are selling products directly to consumers, or they should tokenize their products and services. And they will also consider the websites no longer interface to the user, but interface to token holders. And what that means is users with different tokens might get differentiated services on their website, and the website can target token users, target tokens functionalities, such as operating a car rental market, targeting the users who have smart car tokens. And even further from there, once the infrastructure there, you can have very interesting innovations, such as selling tables in a restaurant as a token, therefore having the revenue before the services was provided. Or as a car maintenance company, you can sell a token called guaranteed parts token, which if the customer buys it, then if the car breaks down, then the insurance kicks in and makes sure the parts are delivered in a short period of time. And if your car doesn't break down, then that's revenue. So new business model can be created once the business and the internet start to think in token terms. And that's why I believe that the next generation web will have token at the center. And we call that token-centric web. And the architect, we call it token-centric architect. So that's what I want to share with everyone today. And we have 3 minutes. Should we have someone else, or should we have a question session?
Would like to ask within the last few minutes? If not, we can move on to our next talk, but please give it up for Weiwu.
Thank you.